We set out to create an original product that would let Minecrafters take their entire Minecraft experience everywhere they go. We needed a design that was beautiful, wearable, and could withstand a ton of daily use, all of which posed big production challenges.
From a manufacturing point of view, we had to be really creative to make this work.
There are almost 300 individual components inside GameBand. The TPU strap is comprised of 5 different sections that are each individually overmolded around all of those electronics to ensure that physically this thing is rock solid. One of our key challenges was fitting all of the components into a really confined space. In 1/4 of the band, we needed to fit an MLC storage device, a USB 3 connector, 140 LEDs, a battery, and the processor that lets you control both the drive and the display. Plus, as well as being very sturdy, it needed to be comfortable to wear. And next to all of this hardware, the software we wrapped around GameBand is very easy to use. We've made it seamless for a Minecraft player to safely take their total Minecraft experience from one computer to the next.
Thinking back to my early days of Minecraft and all the crazy worlds that I would explore and things that I would build, and the fact that I don't have them anymore makes me really wish that I would have had the GameBand 3 years ago.
You're able to take your world from computer to computer on this small device, and if anything were to ever happen to it, you're able to get a replacement with all of your worlds preloaded on it as if nothing ever happened.
I love being able to customize the LEDs through Pixel Furnace. It's the perfect way to really unleash the creativity of the community.
To me, the coolest feature of the GameBand is the backup service.
You don't want to lose your world, right? You invest so many hours into that world. That you don't want to lose. The tech you can always exchange, right? So the backup system helps you with that, because you just get a new one and the world is safe.
Creating an ore-style clasp was a unique challenge. It needed to look stunning and be especially robust. And there's 4 steps to make it. First, we cut it from a single piece of stainless steel. Then we coat it with PVD. Then we laser etch it. And finally, we paint it by hand. The internal electronics need to be just as strong as the external because people are going to play from GameBand for hours. Normal flash memory is designed for storage, but in our case people play Minecraft directly from GameBand and it's subjected to constant read-writes. So we use MLC drive technology that's 10 times more durable than standard flash. To make sure GameBand can stand up to an insane amount of daily wear and tear, we've put it through a lot of testing to produce a final product that is splash-proof, resistant to high and low temperatures, scratch-resistant, and shock-proof, so that it can be worn every day over huge periods of time and still be beautiful. We believe we've created an elegant, rugged, and really special product, and we truly hope that Minecraft players are going to be crazy about it.
People who play Minecraft want to show their love for the game. The way that the Minecraft GameBand is styled really lets you show your love for Minecraft.